Okay, Christian, so why don't you introduce what is this chemistry set so that people who are watching know how to order it if they want it?
It's in MEL Chemistry.
Yeah, so today we're gonna do MEL Chemistry. This is our tin kit Christian opened already. We get these every month. I think they're like $25, but they're pretty cool, and they're meant for 10 and up. But Christian is 5 and he just loves science, so as long as we're with him, we feel that it's okay.
So remember,
can kids do this without a parent, Christian?
They need to do it with a parent.
That's right. Oh, and Christian, can you tell the people, is this a dangerous set or not dangerous set?
This is this is not dangerous.
Not danger. Can you show us on the label? It tells you there the difficulty, danger, and how long it should take. So this one is pretty like medium danger.
in 15-minute duration. So that's how long it'll take. And it says put on protective gloves and eyeglasses. Do we have protective gloves and eyeglasses? All right, check and check. Conduct the experiment on a plastic tray. Do we have a plastic tray? Check. Okay, always follow proper safety precautions when handling batteries. Do we have batteries? Okay, check. Dispose of solid waste together with household garbage. So we got to make sure that we pour solutions down the sink and wash with excessive water. So here are pretty simple instructions. The first one says we need to mix one bottle into the other bottle. So let's get out our chemicals. All right, Christian. Now we're going to pour this into here. All right, mix it up, Christian. Put one finger on top and mix it up. Okay, so squeeze it in there.
You have to be sure to wear your gloves and your glasses because these are real chemicals.
Now that we've mixed it, we're going to pour one bottle into our dish, and then we're going to pour a little bit of liquid soap, 2 drops, to make sure it coats. So let's pour the entire bottle into our petri dish of the green one. So now we need to take our red electrode and our black electrode and put them in the solution. So we're going to clip them on the edge of our tray. You ready, Christian? Okay. Make sure you got your safety goggles on.
Okay.
Very important. Okay, now clip. And then we are going to connect to the battery, and you need to mind the polarity. So we want to make sure that the red connects to what?
The red connects to red.
And the black connects to?
Black.
Yep. Be very careful. Now we've connected the red to the red and the black to the black. So what is our next step in making tin dendrite? So now the electrons from the batteries cause a chemical reaction, one of the products of which is metallic tin. Wow, so if you look, you can see that it's making
Oh, Christian, look.
It's making metallic tin.
It looks like a crack in the glass.
That's crazy. You can't really see it here, but